Hello, everyone. My name is Muiwa Adedayo. I am an educational neuroscientist, a lecturer, and also a kind of an international author. Okay, this moment I have a very, very important topic to discuss with us, and the topic is what is educational neuroscience? But before I go deeply, into expatiating what this topic is all about, I would like, as usual, to acknowledge four Nobel laureates that have contributed to my neurological kind of insights, status, etc. The first one is Professor Eric Kandel. Okay, the second one is Professor John O'Keefe. The third and fourth ones are Professor Edvard Motza and Professor May Britt Motza. Both of them were husband and wife, but presently they are now kind of living separately. There are other professors too, like Professor Jeff Littman of Harvard University, and so many others that are just too numerous for me to begin to mention in this video. So the topic once again is what is educational neuroscience? Okay, to begin with, educational neuroscience is a field that has sprung out of a neuroscience or a neurobiology. Presently, it is being impacted by four other kind of disciplines. Okay, the first one is educational technology. The second one is educational psychology. The third one that is currently impacting educational neuroscience is called developmental cognitive neuroscience, and the fourth one is cognitive neuroscience. These are the four disciplines that are currently impacting and transforming educational neuroscience. Then the origin of educational neuroscience is could be traced to America, and it started in 1989. So at this juncture, the question becomes, what is educational neuroscience? If you look at the word itself, it is a combination of two kind of subject or phenomena. The first one is education, and the second one is neuroscience. And simply, neuroscience is just the study of the brain. Okay, how neurons and other how neurons and other structures in the brain receive and transmit information throughout the nervous system. Then education has to do with the development of the brain. So educational neuroscience can simply be defined as the process in which our knowledge of the brain is transforming learning and education. Educational neuroscience can also be defined as the specific rules that the knowledge of the brain helps to transform education. What educational neuroscience is all about. And presently, there are researches, there are studies, carried out by neuroscientists, especially cognitive neuroscientists, and the data, and their findings are being transported into the education sector. So there are other things that I would have loved to really discuss in this video, but quickly because of our time, let me quickly zero in on some specific things, maybe subtopics that are connected to the major topic of this video. And these things are: one, what are the questions that educational neuroscience is helping to solve in education? The second one is that, are there learning difficulties in the education system that maybe insight from the educational neuroscience can really help to solve? Then the third one is that, is there any connection between educational neuroscience and pedagogic expertise? Yes. Let me begin to respond to each of the questions one after the other. The first one is questions in education that educational science is helping to solve. Yes, before now, the literature and experts, okay, in the field